Hi guys, it's Angie here with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a Clover shirt. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my shirt in half and I'm going to mark the center of the front of my shirt and the center of the back of my shirt. I'm going to put the Clover portion only on the front, so I'm going to isolate that out. To begin, I'm going to put a dot where I'd like the center portion of my Clover to be. It's a little higher up than the middle of my shirt, but not by much. I'm going to put my finger on the dot and I'm going to fold the bottom portion up and I'm going to fold the top portion down. Then I'm going to pick the entire shirt up and fold it in half, making sure to line up all of my folds. That leaves one side of my shirt having 3 folds and the other side having 2 folds. My design is going to go on the side that has 3 folds. I'm going to draw my design on and then I'm going to fan fold it. After I'm done fan folding, I'm going to tie it up with some sinew. Now I'm going to put a backbone on the back of my shirt. So I'm going to find the center of the back of my shirt, lay it out nice and flat, as flat as I can get it. Then I'm going to fan fold that seam. I'm going to tie this up with kite string when I'm done, and the rest of my shirt I'm going to scrunch and tie it up with kite string as well. For the Clover portion of this shirt, I've mixed up some Dharma colors. I'm using some thickened black, I'm using bright green, new emerald green, and then I have some Lapis blue that I'm going to use on the scrunch portion. For the Clover portion, I'm dyeing the line with the thickened black, then at the very end I'm using the bright green, followed by the new emerald green right up next to the black line. On the other side of the black line, I'm putting a little bit more of the bright green. Then for the backbone, I'm using ice blue, periwinkle, and sapphire blue. When I flip the shirt over on the backbone portion, I'm going to do an offset. So I'm going to move my ice blue to the end. I'm beginning with periwinkle at the far end, followed by sapphire, then ice blue. I'm coating the rest of the scrunch portion with lapis blue. Here's the Clover shirt after it's all washed and dried. Thank you all for watching.